Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to do a deviled egg salad. Yes, so what I do is I'm going to show you how I do my recipe for deviled eggs and how I then surround it with a nice layer of salad greens and some other toppings and a nice dressing to bring it all together. But before we go to that, I want to let you know that I have other types of videos on my channel. I do container gardening where I show you how to grow a variety of fresh vegetables and herbs in your container. So whether you have one container or 50 containers, I have some tips for you. I do product reviews and I have a few meditation videos. So for now, let's go ahead and make that deviled egg salad. So I like to start my eggs off in cold water. Here they are now. I'm doing 8 eggs. And I'm going to bring them up to a boil. Once they come up to the boil, I'm going to let them simmer for about 10 minutes. Then I'll turn it off and let it sit for another 10 minutes. And then I'll put ice on it and I'll peel them and we'll come back and I'll show you the rest of the process. So I got my eggs all nice and boiled. I am now splitting them in half and scooping out the yolk. Nothing complicated. Making deviled eggs is kind of fun because there's a little bit of mashing up the yolk and, oops, one didn't go, mashing up the yolk and adding your mayo and your mustard and your salt. And then you just sprinkle a little paprika on there to make it nice and pretty. Okay. So that's good enough right there. And so what I do next is, and I need a fork. Take that fork and I'm going to just mash up the yolks. That way it's not so hard when I get ready to add the mayo and the mustard. We got that going. And now we're going to add the mayo. Now, I don't really measure the mayo. You're going to put as much mayo in there as you want to get that consistency. So this is a cup measure just to give you an idea if you've never made deviled eggs before. So I'm going to say that's about 2/3, 3/4 cup to start, just to give you an idea. I'm going to take my my fork and stir it up. You see how nice and creamy it's getting? And at this point, I'm going to add some mustard. And again, I'm eyeballing it. Just a squirt around. I'm going to say that was about a tablespoon of mustard. But what you're going to do is you're going to taste this as you're going along. That's all. You're going to taste it to see if it's the way you like it. Now I'm going to add a little salt. I'm going to say that's about a ½ teaspoon of salt. You don't want too much. We can add more after we taste it. See, that's the consistency. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, that's perfect. That's really good. I have the tang of the mustard in there and the creaminess of the mayo and just enough saltiness. Now we're going to fill our little egg shells. You just take a scoop out like that and put it in. That's all. Just fill it just like that. Now I'm going to finish filling these and come back and show you our final steps. We're in the home stretch now, so I'm going to go ahead and I have some smoked paprika. I'm just going to spray it over the eggs, just lightly. You don't need that much, just to make them look pretty. And now for the salad part, I'm going to sprinkle around. This is romaine, and I just tore it up into little pieces. You can tear it up as small pieces as you like. You can even leave it whole if you like, but I think it makes it easier to eat, to break it up into little smaller pieces. And now we're going to add our little eggs. And after we put our eggs in, I'm going to add some tomatoes, some red onion, some bacon. Now you can even add some chopped up ham or turkey from the deli if you wanted to. Or leave it strictly vegetarian and don't put the bacon in there. That's how we're going to do it, like that. Let me get my hands a little white. Yeah, some more lettuce. There. Okay, so now we have our little additional fixings. Tomatoes, bacon, and some red onions. And I'm just going to spread it around. And people can grab the salad, some bacon, put some tomatoes. I think I'm going to move the eggs over a little bit. And the beauty of it is you get to place it the way you want it to look, how you want it to be. Make it easy and open your favorite bottle of dressing. I'm going to use buttermilk dressing. And just kind of pour it around the edges of the salad. Look at that. You can serve that up to your family. They're going to be like, wow. Let me give you a closer shot. So there you have it, a deviled egg salad with everything you could possibly want for your celebration or just for a regular family meal. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you know when I have other videos published. Well, that's it for now. Bye-bye.